diagram shows an oil tank in the shape of a prism. Actually, we've got a lovely trapezium shape here, so we've got a lovely trapezoid. The cross section of the prism is a trapezium. The tank is empty. Oil flows into the tank. At that point, I'd be starting to think, well, this is clearly, if we're talking about oil in a tank, we need to be working out the volume. And no way can I work out the volume of this, so instead, I'll cheat and I'll work out the area. The area of the cross section, which is a trapezium. So I'm panicking. I'm thinking, oh, I don't know how to work out the area of a trapezium. I've forgotten. Fortunately, there is an exam formula sheet which says something along the lines of A plus B over 2 times H. Or if you like, there's that song, half the sum of the parallel sides times the distance between them. So into the calculator to get the area, I'll do my A, 3, plus my B, 1.4, over 2, times by the vertical distance between them, 2.4. And I'll tap that in the calculator, 3 plus 1.4 divide 2 times 2.4, and the calculator says 5.28. Always nice to put the units. We've got meters, 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 everything's meters, so meters squared. But that's not how volume of oil works. We've got to work out the volume. So I'll take that 5.28 meters squared, and I've not dealt with this 2.5 yet, so it looks like I've got to times that, the area of the cross section, times how far back it goes, 2.5 meters, pop it in the calculator, and it says 13.2. And just to show off, meters times meters squared is meters cubed. But you didn't know that from your index laws. That's why volume is in cubic meters. Great, we're picking up some marks. Let's keep reading. The tank is empty. Oil flows into the tank. After 1 minute, there are 300... Oh, that's annoying. Litres of oil in the tank. Well, the problem is we're in cubic meters and we need to be talking litres. So we'll reread this, and it says 1 cubic metre is 1,000 litres. That's very kind of them to tell me. They don't have to. So I've got to do something with that and 1,000. And it looks like there's going to be more litres than cubic metres, so I'll times it by 1,000, which means the capacity of the tank is 13,200 litres. After 1 minute, there are 300 litres of oil in the tank. Not sure what to do with it, so I'll put a star by it. We'll come back to that. Assuming the oil continues to flow into the tank at this rate, work out how many more minutes it takes for the tank to be 85% full of oil. So I don't want 13,200 litres. I actually want 85% of 13,200 litres. We don't want to fully fill the tank, presumably it'd be unsafe, so we'll times it by 85%, so we actually need to buy 11,220 litres. That's how much oil we want in the tank. It was empty. The bit that everyone forgets is after 1 minute there are already 300 litres in the tank. So let's take that 300 litres off, giving me 10,920 litres. We need 10,920 litres of oil to flow in. It is flowing in at 300 litres per minute. So I'll need to divide that by 300, which tells me it's 36.4 minutes. If you want to show off, you can then hit the dot, comma, comma, comma button, the one below fact, and it says 36 minutes, 24 seconds if you really wanted to show off. But 36.4 minutes, absolutely fine.